Good morning students, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to solve Feb March 2023 past paper and component is 31, and we will start with the first task which we are going to solve in this video is spreadsheet. So let us start doing this. So to do this, we will start with the task 2. Task 2, spreadsheets. Okay, the Tawara Cricket Club record on a spreadsheet the number of runs scored by each player in each match that they played. Open and examine the file M23 batting, okay, .csv in your spreadsheet software. So to do this, we will go to our support file folder and then open the file called M23 batting. Okay. So this is the complete structure. So let me organize the table first. Okay, all right, now next let's go to the question paper. Delete two rows, delete row 2, sorry. So delete, this is the row and we need to right click and delete the row 2. Done. Next, insert a new row at the top of the spreadsheet, right click, insert a new row. Done. Next, merge the cell A1 to V1, A1 to till the V1. Okay, merge. Next, place the text Tawara Cricket Club in the merge cell. So let's do it. So here, Control V, Tawara Cricket Club. Done. Merge the cell A2 to V2. Merge the cell A2 to V2. So here we have A2 to V2. Merge. Next. Okay. Next is so done. Next, place in footer right align a text spreadsheet edited by, followed by a space, your name, center number and candidate number. Okay, to do this, insert header and footer. Okay, what we need to do here in the footer, okay, and which should be right align. So we'll go back to footer and it should be right align, edited by your name ABC, center number IN123, candidate number 1234. Done. Next, save the spreadsheet as M23 cricket underscore center number and candidate number, center number and candidate number. All right, so file, save as, here in your support file folder, M23 cricket. Only they are asking us the center number and the candidate number. Center number 123, candidate number is 1234. All right, and save as a spreadsheet software. Save. Done. Go back to normal view. Now let's go to the next question. Format the spreadsheet to look like this. Okay, format. Okay, so now format the spreadsheet to look like this. Tawara Cricket Club. Okay, so here format the row 1 to 36 points, San Sharif. All right, to do this, select the row and make this font as a 36 and San Sharif is Arial. Okay, enter, and then dark gray color background with white text. So here the text color will be white and the background color will be the dark gray. Done. Next, format the row 2 to have 18 points, San Sharif. All right, so let me select the format the second row, click on 18. Okay, it should be black in color and light gray color will be the light gray color will be this. Perfect. Next, light gray color background is also done. Next, place in cell U4 a function to count the number of matches played by this player. Replicated this formula for each player. Okay, so where is U4 here? Equals to count the first function we are going to do, count the number of matches played by Wilfred Hook. So I will select till R, B4 to R4 and enter. So he played total 9 matches. So let me replicate this formula. Done. Perfectly fine. Okay. Next, do we need to center align this? Yeah, everything is center aligned. So make it center align, and this also center align. Yes. Next. Now, next question is place in cell B33 to B34 function, okay, to display the highest and the lowest score for this match. Okay, so to do this we will go down B33, yes, equals to max, equals to max. Okay, highest score is max, and we will select the range, and here is the range till the Shanagar wall. B30, B4 to B31. Close the bracket and enter. So this is total 92. Next, lowest score equals to minimum, the minimum score. Then we will select the B complete column as a range and then close and enter. So this is the range. Minimum is 0 here and the maximum is 92. Done. So now what they are asking, replicate this for all the matches. So let me replicate it till here, and here also we will replicate. Done. So now here student, you can see the maximum it shows as a 100. So here it is the maximum 100 and the minimum it is shows as a 1. Okay, the minimum is this. Okay, all right. So now let's go to the next question. Place a replicable formula in V4 to calculate the average score of a player and round to 1 decimal place. Okay, so now here first of all we need to find out. Next they give us the average formula, also total runs scored by number of matches played minus not out. All right, edit the formula to make sure that if cell content not displayed, means if any cell content here, see in between you can find the 11 is empty and 12 is empty. So if it is empty, okay, not display, if the player has not played the fever less than 5 match. Okay, so the criteria they gave us, the player must and should play minimum 5 marks, otherwise it should display as a empty. Okay, to do this question, do this equals to if number of matches is less than 5, if the number of matches is less than 5, then it would be show as a empty, or else now the average score. What is the average score? Total number of scores divided by number of matches played minus not out. Okay, so now where is the total? For total number of score is, we are going to use sum function, sum total number of matches. So for this B4 to R4, okay, in bracket divided by total number of score divided by number of matches played minus not out, number of matches played minus not out. Okay, so this also I'm putting in a bracket to avoid any error. So open the bracket, number of matches played is U4 minus not out. Where is not out? Here, T4. U4 minus T4. Okay, and then this we need to make it as a 1 decimal place. Okay, this value should be rounded to 1 decimal place. So just click before the sum and just type round, R-O-U-N-D, round. Okay. Now this round this complete, if you can see here, round this complete value to one decimal place, close. Okay. And next close is for the if function. So multiple time I close it and enter it. So average score for the first player we got 82.1. Okay, replicate the formula for all the players. So just flash fill it and make it center align. So let me check all the data is center aligned. Yes, so we will select from match 1 till the average score should be center aligned. All right, perfect. Now next, let's go to the next question. Save the spreadsheet. So save. Next, print the spreadsheet showing the formulas. Okay, student, what you need to do, control plus tilde key as I show you. Okay, just click in the corner and double click. This is the formula view of your spreadsheet. All right, so now what we need to do, row and column headings should be displayed. Okay, so control P, just press control P, say page setup and click on sheet, and row and column should be visible. Heading, press OK. Next, what we need to do, is it the page, the grid lines are displayed and page orientation is landscape and content of all the cells are fully visible. Okay, can be fully visible. So to do this, let me go back here, select the table till the bottom. Okay, and then go to borders. Okay, more borders, you can simply choose the grid line. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. All right, and then press OK. Yeah, this is done. Now make it as center align the text. Okay, this is in a formula view. All right, now next, the content of all cells are fully visible. Yes, we can see here clearly the content of all the cells are fit in a one page. Perfect. Okay, so now, and this should be orientation. They did not mention, you can use as a landscape orientation so that your data can be clearly visible. All right, done. Now let's go to the next question. Sort all the data for the players in descending order for their average score. Okay, so here what they are asking us to do, the average score which is should be ascending order. So let me do it. So control plus tilde key, go back to normal view, click in the corner and adjust the data. Okay, now what they are saying here, the average score. Okay, so the average score, so here, where is average score? Here we have average score should be ascending to descending order. Let me read. Sort all the data of the player in descending order for their average score. The player whose do not have any average score display must be at the bottom of the list. Okay, so to do this, let me select the all players along with their data. A4 to, where is till the, we have just till the V4. Okay, so all, let me select A4 to, yeah, 1 second, here it is A4 to till the V31. Okay, till here. Okay, all player data we selected, and this data should be sort to ascending order. Okay, so what we are going to do here, right click, format the cell. Okay, and then रुक जाओ बेटा, क्या हुआ? नहीं बेटा, काम है, बीच में वीडियो रुक गया मेरा। Let's go to the done. Let's go to the next question. Sort all the data for the player in descending order of their average score. Those who do not have any average score display must be at the bottom of the list. Okay. To do this, what I am going to do, let me select along with their name all the data. Okay. Till the here. Okay. A4 to V31 I selected. Now to do this, we will go to click on data and sorting, okay, ascending A to Z. So here you can see A to Z. Done. Okay. One more time, Z to A and then A to Z. Perfect. Next. Okay, the player who's who do not have any average score must be displayed at the bottom. Okay, to do this, what we are going to do, let me select the values and this, okay, should be Z to A. Okay, so now once you do, you can see the empty and the least values are here, 1, 13, 2, okay, 4 and all. Done. So perfectly fine. Now next, save your spreadsheet with your name, center number and candidate number, which is already saved. Now next, print only the spreadsheet with the values. Just press Ctrl P and take the screenshot. Okay, take the printout. The grid lines are not displayed this time. Okay, so we don't want to show the grid line. Margin should not be, okay, or else simply go to grid lines and remove grid lines. Okay, this time no grid lines they are asking, so we will select the complete data. Okay, and this time what they said, the grid lines are not displayed, the page orientation is landscape, the row and column heading should not be displayed. So home and no borders, simply select the no borders. All right, and Control P and take the printout. Perfect. The content of all the cell must and should be visible. Yes, we can see here it is clearly visible. Any question next? Nothing. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you like the video. Please like my all videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.